Hello everyone, I'm your host Boss Zombie. Welcome back to Fallout 4. So from what I understand, without spoiling too much of the game for myself, I've basically gone as far down each of the main paths as I can before they become irreversible. So I'm going to do some of the little side quest things. There's not actually that many side quests for all the different factions. The Minutemen don't have any, because all their stuff is Radiant miscellaneous stuff, like go help them, go find them, go kill them, blah blah blah. The Railroad I think only has like 2. And so that just leaves like the Brotherhood of Steel's stuff, which they have a decent number, and the Institute stuff, which they also have a decent number. But I actually want to do this one. This is technically a Radiant quest that is non-repeatable, so it's technically not a Radiant quest. But there's a good reward for doing this that you may have seen some way or another on the internet. Pip-Boy.
Hell yeah!
That's what you want.
How did... How did raiders get here?
Suppose someone should make use of it.
Alright, I didn't save these people on my playthrough. Or this playthrough. Whoops. Yeah, I can't save everyone, you know. Technically, it's not that I didn't save them, it's they aggroed on me. I couldn't help it. Wow, this gun has a lot of bullets. I'm gonna go through them very quickly, though. A lot of things. What? Are these all ghouls? What are these? It's bugs. Ow. Fuck you, stupid bug. Why was there like the green wind for a second? What the hell? Oh, it's mole rats. Hello. No? I like how they poke their heads out like little gophers. What is that?
Playing hide and seek?
Ooh. Oh, it must have just been that book falling over. Like a boss in this one? It's gonna be a glowing mole rat?
Sweet.
Oh no, it just wants me to use this. Okay. Oh, build defenses. Ooh. Well, let me start scrapping. Get the chalk. Can't grab the chalk. Too small. Oop. I can grab the chalk. Well, it shouldn't be too hard. I mean, there's plenty of cars and shit. How big is this place? Wow. This is actually a sizable area. Plenty of wood. Plenty of steel. Ugh. Look at all the cars. Wow, that is super irradiated. I'm not even in it and it's giving me rads. I can't be safe. That's the only body of water in this settlement and it's super fucking irradiated. That doesn't seem fair. This is good as a wall. Rock. Actually, maybe it's not good as a wall. It's more of a storehouse than anything else. Oops. Mm-hmm. What's nice is anything in things that you scrap, so say I scrap like a cabinet or something and there's actually stuff in the cabinet, it supposedly goes straight to the bench, so you don't lose anything. Like this would have stuff. There you go, contents transferred to workbench. There's actually a lot of stuff in here. I mean, I'm like rank 3 in science, right? So. Ooh, fusion core. I have to make sure to go back and pick that up out of the container. No, no game, stop it. Red Roach? Hello. Nick. Ooh. Fell to pieces. Come on, switch to this. Thank you. Safe, huh? No, I don't want to store the shelf. Okay, what's in here? I can pick this, right? Expert? Ooh, no. Like this?
Nice.
Well, not much, but I'll take it. What else is... What? Oh, stop. It takes forever to trigger that. Oh, I can't go up from this side. Eh. Why does it feel like the sensitivity got lowered for turning? Wish I could scrap this giant wall. Where does this go? Oh! Someone was living here. This is good. This is an excellent source of stuff. Knock it off, game. Start with that, and that, and that, and that. Ooh, bobby pins. Scrap that. And machete. Okay. What's up, Doc? Oh, mines. You know, I wonder if you can hit cars, like, enough weird, glitchy, physicsy stuff. If you can hit, like, a car into a settlement, you can take it apart. Because cars are a pretty good source of steel, although it seems unbalanced. Like, sometimes I'll dismantle a car and I'll dismantle a weapon. Like, an assault rifle of some kind. And the assault rifle will give more steel than the car. It doesn't make any sense. But it is what it is. What are you going to do? There's something under there. Hello, little car. Oh, that car gave 15. Maybe I'm wrong. Another thing I wish you could do is just like skeletons sometimes, and like here there's a skeleton. It'd be nice if you could get rid of them. You can't even grab and move skeletons in this. It's just kind of, you know, in the way. Shit, that place is not good. I need to take some rad X for that. Oh my god, even with rad X, it's giving me so much. Give me the tire. Holy shit. That's not good. This isn't safe at all. Oh, I've cleared the parking lot. Can I take apart these things? No. These? Yes. Really? There's a fucking radio? Can I hit the radio? Can I hit the radio? Can I hit the radio? Fucking game. Why mute the radio and then it doesn't work? Annoying. Oh. Did I die? You're shitting me. What did that? How much damage did it do? Ah. How far back am I going? Where am I? Oh, wow. Okay, well, we're cutting. Okay, and we're back. So cleared out everything. I even found out if you just remove the radioactive barrels with the workshop tool, it radioactifies the water, which is nice. So now it's saying I need to build the fence. Turrets. It's the easiest ones I can build without needing a lot. Alright, I can build 5 of these. Let's put them... I kind of want to put them close to each other. Let's see, so I'll put one here. Oh wow, I don't need that many. One there. One there. One there. One there. Oh. That was easy. Okay. Is that it? Report back to him. I also found out that you can fast travel from inside the railroad headquarters. You don't need to leave through those tunnels and stuff. So that's neat. Do 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 do. There's Pam I need to talk to, right? Pam? Grizzly.
Hey, Rook. Good.
Setting human-machine interface to 100%. My data indicates Mercer Safe House has been established. Agent Weatherby, Thomas, aka Tinker, has delivered construction material as promised. Reward dispensed. If you are available, further assistance could be used.
Neato. It's a good chunk of experience. What do I want to upgrade? Oh, I can get rank 2 of this now. What's the third rank do? Chance of critical major gets... I won't need that, really. I don't use VATS a lot.
Pam.
Are you available for another mission, Agent? I have the location of a Black Ops cache. It contains supplies our organization needs. Railroad Alpha has asked for you to secure the cache from any hostiles in its vicinity.
Pre-war cash, huh? This'll be interesting.
Unable to process verbal response. The cache is hidden in compliance with Tactical Counter-Surveillance Protocols. This RFID device will locate and unlock the cache upon close proximity.
Nice. That sounds pretty high tech.
Correct. The cache belonged to the Defense Intelligence Agency. The DIA's technological capabilities were more advanced than many branches of the government. You only have to secure the cache. Runners will transport contents on a separate timetable, terminating human-machine interface.
Ooh, it's like a credit card. Yeah, this is the mission you want to do. Okay, Jack, you having a sit? You having a good sit there, Nick? Alright, so where do I need to go? Secure the DIA cache. Where is it? Looks like it's near Postal Square, whatever that is. Where's my model? Show me a 3D model. There it is. Oh, them. It's actually funny if you wear a hard hat, like the actual clothing item, they'll say, "Thank you for your compliance with hard hat regulations." Except in a cooler voice. I like the variety of Protectrons. Also, I found out that legendary Protectrons, because I've been, like I said, playing legendary a lot, difficulty on my other playthrough, they go nuclear when you kill them. They have killed me a couple times just on the self-destruct at the end. Zoom. Zoom. Too much zoom. How does he even see? It's all painted over. Actually, I don't know where the cameras on a Protectron are, because all you ever see is like the weird dome piece. What's happening here? Why am I targeting Brahmin? Why is there a Brahmin? Hi, Brahmin. Alright, weird things have happened. Why is there a Brahmin in the middle here? Sorry. This is super mutant territory. Oh, there's a lot of mutant hounds. Oh. What are you? Oh, skirmisher? I can deal with skirmishers. Ooh! Thanks, Savant. Ooh, this may have been a mistake. So there's another guy. Oh, it's just a mutant. Okay. Where the hell? How the hell? Oh, here we go. Stairs. How convenient. Going up. And up. And up. I need to go higher up still. How do I get over there? Oh. Like this. What is this building? Hub 360. Sorry if the episode runs a little long. I kind of lost track of things with the timing, thanks to getting killed by a bottle cap mine. Can this be nice and easy? Yay, it can. Oh, these are actually things I need too. Excellent. That, take that, that. where's the... Is that all I needed to do? Nick, move. Is that all I really needed to do? I have one question. Actually, I have more than one question. Is that really all I needed to do for this? Oh yeah. Report back to Pam. That's pretty simple. So doing this is supposed to open up a thing with Tinker Tom, I think. Put this away.
Can't need you anymore. It appears your long shot paid off. And now we may...
I secured the DIA cache for you.
Human interface. Well done, Agent. Runners will be sent to acquire contents. Reward dispensed.
Okay. Are you coming to talk to me, or are you just patrolling around, weird guy? Okay. Covert sweater vest. Where's Tinker Tommy? Tinker Tom? No, none of you are Tinker Tom. Are you one of you gentlemen, Tinker Tom? Nope.
DIA. Shit, man. That cache you found has some real serious... But the creme de la creme is ballistic polymer weed.
Yes.
Lightweight, serious stopping power. And it looks just like normal clothing. I got some in stock now. Oh, give me some time. I got all sorts of ideas.
Show me what you got.
I will set you up, my friend.
Yeah, so you can buy clothing now. Is it... Wait. Yeah, you can buy clothing with ballistic weave stuff in it.
Hey,
The sensor sweep says you're clean. Hooray! We're bug free.
I'm relieved, actually.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Not so fast. Okay, have you eaten anything out there? Because if you have, they got you.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I've eaten food.
Oh, I knew it. The Institute has these tiny microscopic robots in the food, man. And they report back.
Tom, that's rubbish.
You just don't get it, Carrington. The Institute is in your blood.
If that's true, that's terrifying.
If he had a shred of evidence for any of it, agreed. Quite terrifying.
Okay. If you really want to be safe, let me give you a little shot. There's the moment. Says no one has to, but it will kill those little robots.
There's battery acid in that serum of yours.
You can't nuke an omelet without irradiating some eggs. You ready to shoot up?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Fine. Let them hear and see everything. Okay. I hope you like your whole life being downloaded to the Institute's mainframe.
Actually, I dose myself with radiation to kill the blood robots.
Radiation? That wouldn't do shit, man. Anyway. Hey, I gotta get back to making gadgets.
Okay. Can we...
Hey, Tom,
You need anything?
what do you have in stock?
Well, it changes, depending on what's on hand. Hopefully our agents score more supplies in the field, so me and my boys can, make even more toys. Wanna see what we got?
Let's take a look.
Okay, here's what I got.
Can I make the stuff now, or do I need to, like, buy it from you? Huh. Okay, well, I guess that's enough for this episode. Oop. Everyone's so serious looking. And for this episode, so thanks for joining me. Get back, I'll have the next stuff up real soon, but until then, bye.